Hey everyone. So, if you all remember, 2 months ago, I published a solo podcast. After changing my upload schedule and doing it for almost 2 months now, I thought of doing something else as well. So, from now on a period of 2 months, I will be doing solo podcast where I will be giving you updates regarding the channel, some challenges, and my future plans as well. I'm also doing this so that you, the viewer, knows that there isn't a full-fledged team behind this channel, and that is, like collecting videos, editing them, making thumbnails, and then publishing them. It's just one guy, that's me, who has got the support of a few people that are helping me on this journey. Now, you all might remember the last solo podcast I did, where I talked about the latest automotive updates and some updates regarding the channel as well. Now, if you had watched it till the end, I talked about the updated video schedule, and that time we were also about to hit 300 subscribers. I think we were at about 290 something, and we were just about to hit 300 subscribers, and we did it before the day I expected it. So that kind of went well. And almost 2 months later, we are now on our way to 700 subscribers. The growth rate has been good, and if it continues to be so, we will reach 1,000 subscribers before the first year anniversary of this channel, which will be on the 3rd of August. Now, talking about the podcast, like you all have been seeing the quality of the guests, and it is quite high now. Like there are established individuals from the industry, and the amount of knowledge and the value they are giving is unmatchable. So if you haven't watched those podcasts yet, do give them a watch. I will like link some of them down in the cards, and some of them down in the description, so that you can go and check them out and watch them till the end. Okay. And like they might be an hour long, but hey, one thing that I can guarantee you is that you are going to get more value out of that 1 hour long podcast than binging binging some show on Netflix. That's for sure. And if I talk about the audio side of things, like this is the video part of the podcast. If I talk about the audio side of things, it's not getting many plays. Okay, like let me be completely honest. It's not getting as many plays at like that it used to get, but we are still ranking in India, and some countries other outside of India, we are ranking on podcast charts, which is a great sign. And we are available on almost every platform out there: Google Podcast, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, you name it, and we are probably on that platform. We are present there, and we are even on Ghana and Geo7 now, which are like some of the most widely used platforms in India when it comes to listening stuff. So if those are your listening platforms, you can just go and listen to Shift with Motor Drift now. Also, you all might be seeing this improvement in camera quality. So I finally got my hands, like on a good webcam, and from now on, like you can expect to see better quality podcast and solo podcast as well. And I think like you all can see the difference it is making, and how much better it is than the previous device on which I used to record the podcast on. But yeah, and lastly, I want to talk about the blog motordrift.org. It's not doing very good. Okay, like there are some serious reforms that the blog needs. For example, if I talk about the post layout, I think that it can be better, and the site takes a lot of time to load. Like I have heard from many users and many subscribers that the site takes a lot of time to load. Like all the almost, I think, 200 articles as of now, they don't like load just as instantly as they open the site. It takes about a minute or two for all the blogs to appear, and like that is like really bad, and that will be really bad for the site. So I have to work upon that as well. I mean, there is always room for improvement. So like there will be a lot of room for improvement, and like trying my best to be consistent on blogs. But before the first year anniversary of the channel, you will most probably see the new look of the site. So yeah, like that's the condition of the three tiers of Motor Drift at the moment. The tripod, as I like to call it, the channel, video part, the podcast, the audio part, and then the blog, written part, video, audio, written, tripod. And last but not the least, the most important decision of all is regarding the Motor Drift communities. So we all will move to Discord completely, like just because of Discord being one of the best platforms for a community out there. And, like there are no limitations with Discord if I talk about it. Okay. For example, if I talk about Instagram, you have, I mean, there are like countless limitations with that platform on building a community. First of all, only 32 members allowed. I mean, 32 is way too low for a community like mine. Okay. Then we have, like anyone can change the group settings or something like that. Not even, the admin of the group has control over these type of things. And I think, like if you have had a message, have had a, like a message on the platform, and you can't even, like search a message on your Instagram chats. So that's how bad Instagram is for building a community. If I talk about WhatsApp, I mean, it's good, but there is still a limitation. The limitations being, of course, the limit is higher, but like it's still like you can still have like a limited number of group participants only, which I think is not very good. And if I talk about a better platform, then there is Telegram, but again, like there are some limitations to that platform as well. But when we come to Discord, it is probably the master of all these platforms. We can not only chat, like even if the conversation is starting to go informal, we can always like shift to just another chat room and chat in it. That's the beauty of Discord. And we can stream movies together. We can watch game. We can play games like whatnot. And of course, like there is a filtration system. You can have moderators and whatnot. So I think that Discord will be the the only place where Motor Drift will be existing from the first anniversary of the channel onwards. I mean, it's a tough decision because like most of the community that is active is on the WhatsApp and the Instagram, is on WhatsApp and Instagram, but yeah, like eventually we will have to move. Uh, so everyone, join in the Motor Drift community by clicking the Discord link in the description below. I would love to have you as a part of it. And the next solo podcast will probably be out in the month of August. So stay tuned for that. And like just keep supporting because like it's not a very big channel. Motor Drift is not a very huge channel as of now. Like I am putting in a lot of efforts, and over the years I have seen my content evolving. You all have seen it evolving. Like all the videos since the day I have published are on the channel, so you can see the way I have evolved. And like if you like the content that I'm putting out, like just share it with your friends. Tell them to subscribe, and the goal is still the same. Like I am working towards building the world's biggest automotive community. It might like sound too big of a goal considering where it is now, but yeah, that's the like that's the final goal. That's the place where I want to eventually get to, and that's what I'm working towards. So yeah, let's hit 1,000 subscribers, and let's see how that goes. So everyone, that will be all for this time. I trust you liked this one. If you did, then do share with your friends and do consider subscribing to Motor Drift for more such content in the future. All the links will be in the description below. Till then, ciao.